the panggil animation lah for the electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wave. Okay, so lebih kurang macam ni lah bentuk dia maksudnya, but we cannot see lah. Okay, so for the electromagnetic radiations, so you boleh nampak kan ada apa ni, their properties they have. Okay, so you can you see the video? Nampak tak?
Nampak.
Okay, so nampak kan ada the voltage, okay, and also they have one more, they have magnetic. Okay, so electromagnetic radiations they have two properties lah. Okay, they have voltage which is electric and also magnetic. Okay. Okay. So basically electromagnetic radiations, it is the transport of energy as a combination of the electric field and also magnetic fields that travel through space at speed of light in the vacuum. Okay. So it is combination between the electrical field and also magnetic field that travel through space at speed of light. Okay. And it represented by the overlapping sine wave. Okay. So you can see here, there are wave in form of sine wave. Okay, and one wave represent electrical wave and one wave represent magnetic wave. Okay, so there are two kind of wave lah, magnetic and also electric wave. Okay, and this electric and magnetic field, they oscillate together, which is about perpendicular to each other, and they contain the energy and also momentum that may be traveled through matter when they interact with. And it can be classified into several types according to their frequency, their wavelength, and also their energy. Okay. And these are the general properties for the electromagnetic radiations. Okay, so EM radiation, they has no mass. Okay, sebab you tak boleh nampak kan, so dia tak ada G same lah kan, and they travel at constant speed in the given medium, and their maximal speed is at speed of light, and it occur in the vacuum. Okay, and the EM radiations, they travel in the straight line. Okay, normally how they project in straight line, but however their trajectory or their path of travel can be changed whenever they interact with the matters. Okay, so asasnya dia what we call they travel in a straight line, but whenever they encounter any methods, they may change their trajectory lah. Okay, not in a straight line anymore lah. Okay, and these EM radiations, they have a wide range of wavelength and also frequency. Okay, so kalau you still remember, they have a spectrum kan, spectrum of electromagnetic radiations. So they have wide range of wavelength and also frequency lah. And these EM radiations may be polarized so that they vibrate in one plane only. Okay, so from two plane, they can be filtered out so that they travel in one plane only. And they also obey the duality principle. Okay, which is wave and also photon. Photon. Photon wave principle and also photon principle lah. Okay, there are two two theory about electromagnetic radiation. Okay, and these electromagnetic radiations, they are also able to ionize molecule or atom. Okay, depend on their energy. Okay, and normally the ionization occur whenever the EM radiation, they have energy more than 10 electrovolt. Okay, siapa tahu maksud ionization ni? What is ionization? Tahu tak? You all belajar instrumen, you all belajar ke? Ada tak belajar instrumen sebelum ni? Dah ke belum? Instrumen ke, radiation protection ke, dah belajar ke?
Dah, Doktor.
Dah. So sebesar you all tahu pula kan? What is ionization? What is excitation? Betul tak? Okay, Alia Najwa, what is ionization? What is ionization process? Ada tak?
Ada, Doktor.
Alia Najwa, cuba explain what is ionization.
Ionization,
Any idea about ionization?
atom tu dapat charge.
Okay. Nurul Syahada. Nurul Syahada, are you there?
Ya, Doktor.
Okay. Any idea about ionization or excitation? Ada tak? Okay. Raihana, ada tak? Raihana Balkis.
Saya, Doktor.
Okay, Raihana. Any idea about ionization or excitation?
Ionization ni satu physical process mana sama ada elektron tu dibagi ataupun diberi untuk satu atom tu.
Excitation? Ada beza tak? Is there any difference between ionization and excitation? It is the same or different? Ainsha Zuani. Ainsha Zuani.
Doktor.
Okay, what is ionization? Ain.
Ionization ni macam movement elektron from lower energy to higher energy ke macam tu.
Okay.
Movement lah lebih kurang.
Alright. Nur Hisham. Okay, cuba lelaki pula ni. Okay, Nur Hisham. Ada tak? Ke tak ada ni? Ke tak hadir Nur Hisham ni? Tak ada ke Nur Hisham? Tak ada saya Nur Hisham ni. Husni ada tak? Husni. Okay, Husni. Any idea about ionization or excitation?
Ionizing tu dia carry enough energy untuk remove atom.
Dia remove atom. Remove apa?
Remove electron.
Electron. Okay, correct. Alright. Excitation?
Excitation.
Ionization got enough energy to remove the electron. Okay. Excitation?
Dia energy. Tak tahu.
Energy transfer. Okay. Energy transfer from the inner orbit to the outer orbit, kan? Okay. So nanti balik you all check balik ya. Distance ni quite important lah, so you all kena tahu lah. Okay. Ionization normally the particles or the photon that coming from hit the atom, they are able to ionize. Means that they are able to interact with the electron and eject the electron inside atom, so that the atom become ionized. Okay. And excitation, the radiation that interact with the atom, they just transfer the energy so that the electron move from the ground level to the excitation level. Okay. So kalau yang you kata ionize tu, this one lah. Okay, ionization. Maksudnya radiation so they have enough energy to ionize the atom. Okay. So these two important for it is the basic lah. So important for you to understand or to differentiate between this ionization and also excitation. Okay. All right. Okay. So whenever the electromagnetic radiation they interact with the metals or the object or the medium, okay, so several interaction may occur, whether scattering, absorption, and also transformation of the radiations into from the electromagnetic radiations into particulate radiation. But this one they occur at very high energy lah. Okay, this one the common one lah, whether scattering or absorption process. Okay. This one you will learn more with Dr. Nazifah lah. Nanti bila masuk topik interaction of radiation with metal, you akan belajar in detail lah about this thing. Okay, so these are the basic interactions of electromagnetic radiation with metal. Okay. Okay, so what is duality principles? Okay, so this principle it is about consists of wave theory and particle theory for the electromagnetic radiation. Okay, and the electromagnetic radiations they may behave as a wave, or they may also behave as the particles. Okay. And this principle is known as wave-particle duality of radiation. Okay, so let's look at the wave model or the wave theory first. Okay, so for the wave model, the electromagnetic radiations, their energy travel through space in form of wave. Okay, so you can imagine like ocean wave, the sound wave, okay, and they can be described by the classical sinusoidal wave models. Okay, sine wave model tu lah, yang S kan. Okay, and they can be represented by several properties, which is wavelength, amplitude, frequency, and also period lah. So this is the general properties for the wave model or wave theory. Okay, so this is the sine wave graph, kan? Sinusoidal wave. Okay, so this wave theory can be represented by this sine wave. Okay, so for this sine wave, you have wavelength, you have frequency, you have amplitude, and also you have the period or cycle per second. You also have velocity. Okay, so from this graph, there are several properties lah for this sinusoidal wave. Okay, the first one is the wavelength. So what is wavelength? What is wavelength? Biasa dengar kan, kalau wavelength normally orang sebut lambda kan, kalau you biasa dengar kan, wavelength, lambda. So what is lambda? What is wavelength? Anyone? Any volunteer? Ada tak? Izzatul boleh? Izzatul Murshidah. Ada ke? Okay, Izzatul. So what is wavelength? Wavelength, biasa you dengar apa wavelength, lambda. So what is wavelength? Any idea? Any idea about wavelength? Ataupun ada orang lain nak cuba ke? Wavelength, what is wavelength? Okay, so you can see from here. Okay, what is wavelength? Fahmi? Fahmi ada tak?
Ada.
Okey, cuba. What is wavelength, Fahmi?